Whoever said they want to be an influencer, I don't know what it is. I've been having so many issues filming shit. Either the microphone wasn't working, or a roommate walked in, or is the fucking thing working? Are you working? Yeah, you're scanning. The green light's on. Alright, let's try this again. So, my name is DJ Eric Saigon. I'm coming at you live from Amsterdam. Today is video blog day 8, and this is my 8th time doing this video, and I'm getting so frustrated. I do not know why everything has been going wrong when I make my video today. I don't want you to see the real Eric. I was trying to be cool, but this is the real Eric. We're doing video blog day 8 about what project I'm working on. If you don't know who I am, my name is DJ Eric Saigon. I live in Amsterdam. I lived here for 12 years. I'm a DJ. I'm a tour guide. I am the best / worst DJ and tour guide on the face of the planet. And I'm going to talk to you today about what project I'm working on. Let's get into it. The project I'm working on is me. I've talked about this 8 times, and it should get easier to talk about it on camera, but I'm actually really irritated. I'm actually going to check, make sure my microphone is still on, because the damn thing's not working midway, and I've done 6 videos that were 10 minutes long. I've been doing this for an hour. Who wants to do this? Who wants to be a YouTuber or whatever it is? Little things that drive me crazy. The project I'm working on is me, so I cannot be crazy, so I can be better and happy. I have lived in Amsterdam for 12 years, and I try to work on myself every day and improve myself every day. And what does that mean? That means that I am meditating every day, praying every day, eating really healthy food every day, that I am trying my best not to look at pornography, that I'm trying my best to do push-ups every day, that I go to gym 4 to 5 times a week because that keeps my brain working, keeps all the fresh ideas coming. I try to listen to new music every day to help me with my DJing. I try to help people whenever I can, if I can. I have boundaries. And then I also try just to make this the best version of Eric that I can. This is me. I'm Eric. I'm 40. I'm black. I'm gay. I live in Amsterdam. I'm a DJ. I'm a tour guide. How can I be the best of those? And how can I improve my 7 income streams, which are little side projects that are also part of the Eric project, because I am my business. I said it in detail before. I'm just going to read it to you now because I'm tired. But I have obviously number 1 income stream or doing the tours. We do Ganja tours and red light district tours of Amsterdam. I make sure that they're educational. I had the mayor of Nairobi on a tour. I had Chingy, the rapper, on a tour. I've had senators from the United States I'm not allowed to talk about. I've had many artists and probably 40,000 people over the last, maybe over the last 5 years. But tour guide, that's my number 1 bread and butter. That's where I get the majority of my money from. Number 2 is DJing. I am a musician. That is who I am. I love music. If I don't have some kind of music every day, whether that be me singing, listening to music, performing somewhere, DJing, writing a song, learning new music, listening to listening to new music, playing a piano or playing my viola, I have to do something musical or else I will lose my brain. Okay, I do that every day, and I love DJing. That's who I am. I'm a musician. Eventually, I'm going to get into production and making my own songs and my own tracks with my voice on it because I love to sing as well. Third one, real estate. I was able to use real estate to get me to Vietnam this year, and I love that I'm able to help people find a house. Here, it's really hard to find a house in Amsterdam. If you got a house to rent, call me. I have a lot of people that could rent your house for you, good, reputable people. Fourth thing is online coaching and tour guide courses. So I'm going to put that online so I can coach people on how to be a better entrepreneur. If you want to start your own business, so you don't make all the same mistakes I've made, most likely if you're watching this, you're hopefully a person between 14 and 75, and you just wanted to have a side hustle, your own business, or you don't want to work a 9 to 5. I'm the person to talk to. I haven't worked a 9 to 5 since 2007. So you want to get on your 9 to 5? Talk to me. Next, like I said, tour guide courses. I'm going to teach people how to be a tour guide. I've had many other tour guides come on my tours. I actually had a school from South Africa, and they booked 42 of their students on a tour with me just so they could learn how to do a tour. And I just loved it, teaching them that. So I'm going to make a course online so everyone can do it. Shout out to South Africa. And the last one is making content and ebooks. So I've written ebooks for almost all the 27 countries I visited. I'm trying to work on that and get that all completed by May. But that's going to be for you guys to buy online. They're really cheap. The reason why I sell those online is because I've been to 27 countries, and you should not go to McDonald's, KFC, Burger King, or KFC again if you're going to go visit another country. I don't know how to explain this to people. You should be enjoying the food, the culture, and the flair of that country. When you come to the Netherlands, don't go to the ice bar. Don't go to the Bulldog. Don't go to McDonald's, KFC. Go to Fabo. Go to the Rookie's Coffee Shop at the Leidseplein. Go and learn about the Royal Palace, our king and queen.
Willie?
Like, I try to make you find all the real things about that country to do and not the boring tourist stuff to do. That's how you become a part of the country. And then the last thing I said was making content. So hopefully with these videos, I will reach millions of people and tell them about my business, my brand, Orange Umbrella, and about my DJing, DJ Eric Saigon, why I'm the best, worst DJ on the face of the planet. Best because I can get some music going. Worst because sometimes I drink too much champagne, but I work on it, working on myself every day. And, you know, that's all it is. That's what I do. I'm trying to work on myself and make myself better every day. So no matter no matter what, every day I show up to be the best that I can be. And that's the project I'm working on. So if you like this video, please like it, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you let other people know about it. My name is DJ Eric Saigon, coming at you from Amsterdam. This is the 8th time I've done this video. If I have to do it again, I'm going to. Anyway, then, thank you for listening. Bye.